Okay, so we're putting in some fancy hooks to hang Christmas lights. And I thought this would be a good video because you might not know about these. I bumped into these by accident on Amazon. They're stainless steel and they're hooks specially made to hang Christmas lights. Normally you just use cup hooks, but these should work a little better. They'll hold the string of lights inside that curly part, and they're stainless steel. They didn't cost that much either. I think they were like get 20 of them for like around 10 bucks. And I've been putting them in the depth of the screwdriver. I figured then I'd be able to get the lights in there. That's a little farther down. Yeah, okay. See how that's the depth of the screwdriver there. So what did you normally do? You normally just put one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the middle.
Yeah.
Right?
That's all.
So that was like 3 feet apart.
Yeah, they're not heavy.
One more.
And he drills a little teeny pilot hole so he can get the screws in easier. It's too cold to put up the lights. I'm not putting them up today.
Why don't we just leave them up all summer?
No, they get rotten, then they don't.
One there, one there, one there, and there. We got 4 on that front board there. And then these 3 here.
And then you can film the thermometer up there.
These 3 here comes over to the door. She runs the extension cord out the door here. Okay, we're gonna put up the Christmas lights here. Okay, so they're wound up to keep them nice and neat. This part of the cord here goes inside the door. Try not to step on them as you put them up.
You don't bang them around today, you're gonna light up.
These hooks bring the wire up from the bottom and then loop it around. Okay, so when I put these in, I bring them in from the bottom. Okay, so when I put these in, I bring them in from the bottom and loop them around. Bring them in from the bottom and loop them around. Okay, so here's what we end up doing. You got one that goes around, one that goes down this railing back up, one goes down this railing and back up. Then we put the deer up. The deer need work, but we just threw them up there. You see, there's one of the deer, and there's another deer. We got the wreath, and then red and silver tinsel on the railing. On here I use cheap ties. You can get a pack of these for a couple bucks at the store. Cheap ones because you're going to cut them off in a month. So put one up here to hold the tinsel on. Put a couple on here to hold the wire on. One down here. Okay, see ya. Bye. Okay, so when you put up your lights, you should plan where the plugs are going to land. So what we did here, we've got two strands. One comes out of the door. The plug's actually inside the door. Plugs into an extension cord inside the door. Runs along here, then down this railing, and back up, ends right about here, and then the deer plugs into that end. See, the deer plugs into there. And then the other strand comes out of the door, comes along here, goes along the top there, comes down, goes up and down the railing, and then this deer plugs into this side here, the end of the light, the end of the Christmas light strand. It works out good with a little planning, you know, instead of just having them all run together. So however your setup is, you know, just kind of plan it some. Okay, so both of them are inside. The plugs are both inside. One comes out here and down, up and down the railing, and then the deer plugs in. Second one plugs inside, comes out, over the top, down, up and down the railing, and then the other deer plugs into here. Okay, see ya. Bye.